Today I'm going to be reviewing the Elite Renegade Game Face Airsoft Rifle. So this should go right here at the bottom, and this top part should go right here at the top if it wants to fit for me. There we go. It did have a back piece, but it broke off. How to load the magazine? You slide this part out right here. You take your bullets. Just load them. Then you take this part right here. You slide this all the way to the bottom and push it to the side like that. And start doing that until you start getting some BBs in there. Then you want to put the magazine in right here. This is the cock back, and then should be ready to fire. This is safety. Safe, fire, and yeah.